Buka. Hook. Okay, this is the neutral of Redonda. The traditional and the modern Redonda. First, stumble stance. Right to left. And advance, right to forward, right to left. Okay, this is the basic strikes. Okay, by numbering 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Emphasize the thing para tumama sa target. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Redonda is not like this. This is the traditional Redonda. Very simple. Traditional Redonda, no power. This is the proper way of striking or executing Redonda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, continuation.